What up, good people? I got something to tell you guys. I did a thing.
ArtOfSpeedd.
Alright, so I sold the Gen Coupe. Yeah. Nah, I'm lying. I ain't sold the Gen Coupe. I'm lying. I sold the Sonata though. I sold the Sonata. Well, I traded in the Sonata for my pickup truck now. 2017 Dodge Ram 1500. Sold it. I always wanted a pickup truck. I was like, man, let's go for it. Let's get the pickup truck and jack it up and do something to it. You know what I'm saying? Let's bring it to the channel. I sold the Sonata because the Sonata was my placeholder for the pickup truck. Man, alright, so yes, the Sonata had a soft spot in my heart, but it also had issues. When I bought the Sonata, I bought it from a buy here, pay here type thing. You know, I asked them, I said, hey, can I see the Carfax? They showed me some random paper. I'm like, yo, these ain't the Carfax. Oh well, I want a Sonata anyway. So, finally got the Carfax on the Sonata. It had a bad Carfax. The airbag deployed. I'm looking like, dang, I'm stuck with this truck. I'm looking like, dang, I'm stuck with this car. So I'm like, man, over the year times that I was doing different things for the Sonata, I'm like, yo, how did they get rid of this Sonata? I said, man, the market is high for cars. Let's see. First time they said, hey, trade-in value for the Gen is $4,000. I'm like, can't do it. So I waited another year. So then I seen this red Ram. I was like, all right, cool. I'm on the market for looking for a truck. I said that, told you guys that the Sonata probably just be here for about a year, and then we moving on to a new vehicle. So that's what we did. We moved on to a new vehicle. Had to get the Sonata for money for me because it had a bad Carfax. And I couldn't take that. The Gen don't even have a bad Carfax. So I was like, all right, cool. Wind up trading in the Sonata for the Ram. They was like, hey, you know, the airbag deployed on this car like 3 times. I was like, yeah, I know. They was like, all right, cool. So they wind up giving me like $9,000 for the Sonata. I was like, all right, cool. I can take that, put it on the Ram. So basically, that's what I did. Put it on the Ram. That was my down payment for the Ram. And here we is with a 2017 Dodge Ram. Man, so I'm pretty excited. Not about the gas prices. I'm gonna be honest with you, man. This ain't past everything besides the gas station. I'm gonna be honest with you. It got a drinking problem. I took it back to the dealership. I'm like, look, that Ram got a drinking problem. They was like, what do you mean? I said, yo, he like getting drunk off of gas. He like that high octane. He get a little tipsy every time. I'm like, oh shoot, I need some more. Rough road week. That's what he told me. He said, man, I got a rough road week. I need some more gas. I was like, God darn it, bro, you lay off the stuff. Lay off the stuff a little bit because, you know, you got a drinking problem. You're like, I ain't got a drinking problem. I'm like, bro, you got a drinking problem, all right? So, but anyway, so I got the Dodge Ram, like it. What all in the future for it, man? So I want to lift the pickup truck anyway, so I'm gonna lift it, put tires on it, probably tint out the windows a little bit, wrap it, put a banner on it. As you've seen in the clips, it got a lot of chrome. It's time to do a chrome delete on this joint. So that's what's all in the works for it right now. It may be other stuff down the line, but right now we're gonna do a lot of different things. Swap out the exhaust tip, do different things. What can we do affordable for this Ram to make it look good on the road? So that's what we're gonna do, man. I'm excited with my 2017 Dodge Ram. It's definitely a big journey. This is a V8. I never had a V8 a day in my life. I always had V6s or 4-cylinder, aka 4 bangers. But yeah, what we got in store for this truck, I don't know. But you subscribe to the channel and be part of the adventure. Yo, hit post notifications. Yo, welcome to the family.